Rocky baby, come on now, let's go. Come on now.
Yo guys, welcome to the YouTube channel. Welcome to the YouTube channel. My name is Teoluckzboom, guys, and I do dance for you guys. Wait, let me buckle my bed first. Also, I got to about to get this shit started, guys. We'll get this shit started, guys. So first things first, if you are new here, my name is Teoluckzboom. I do dance tutorials for you guys to watch this video dance, so you guys can dance. I'm not gonna dance. I can invite you guys. So welcome to this channel. Subscribe down below for me. Like this video. Share it. I don't know if you guys have watched Alvin and the Chipmunks. Yeah, Alvin and the Chipmunks. That's the dance tutorial I'm doing basically. Alvin and the Chipmunks. I don't know if you guys have heard about it. So Alvin and the Chipmunks is a kids show about music basically. I will not come here and be putting a story for you guys. Let's dive right into the dance video. So the song is, you spin my heel right round, when you go down, down. That's the song. Let's go. So first step in the challenge is, you turn. Start turning with your hands to this side. So it can be easy for you guys. So you turn like this. Then you reverse it. Go back. Are you following me, guys? You turn like this. Then you reverse it, you go back. So something like, you spin my heel right round, when you go downtown. I sing something like that, guys. So when we start, first things first. 5, 6, 7, 8, go. You spin my heel right round, when you go down. Make sure you don't forget that the spinning technique, guys. It's called the spinning technique. Make sure you don't forget it. So it's 5, 6, 7, go. You spin my heel right round, when you go down, I think guys. So once you have done the spinning technique, let's do this. Step back twice. 1, 2. Make sure your body is facing the side of your facing back. 1, 2. 1, 2. 5, 6, 7, 8. You spin my heel right round, when you go downtown. Listen, guys. So don't mind the song. I might not be looping with the song or the voice. Don't mind me. That's why copyright is the issue of us. So we just go with the flow, guys. But make sure you're learning the dance. Let's go 5, 6, 7, go. You spin my heel right round, when you go down, then you like this. Go, drop. Wind your waist. Once you do this, 1, 2, you kick forward, you drop, you wind your waist. 5, 6, 7, 8, you kick forward, drop, you wind your waist. Let's start from the beginning of this step, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, guys. Subscribe down below. So it's something like this. 5, 6, 7, go. You spin my heel right round, when you go downtown. I think, guys. Don't look at my hands, don't look at my butt, don't look at my butt. 5, 6, 7, go. You spin my heel right round. See my reverse, Jesus. When you go downtown. Okay. For that said, this will do. You spin my. Listen, guys. Once you're facing back like this, look at the camera. You point to the side. You do 1, 2, here we go. From the start, 5, 6, 7, go. You spin my heel right round, when you go down, You spin my heel. So yeah, once I've done this, let's have to face the front. Do 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. When we start, 5, 6, 7, go. You spin my heel right round, when you go down, downtown. You spin my heel right round, Listen, guys. It's an easy step, guys. An easy step. And it's trendy sound. Let's go one more time for you guys. 5, 6, 7, go. You spin my heel right round, when you go downtown. You spin my hero, run right. When you go down like a rockin' bye, baby, baby, baby. So guys, that's a tutorial for this Alvin and Chipmunk. Spin my hair right round. Right round. Let's do one more time, one more time. For you guys, literally for you guys. Those of you that ain't following me, guys, make sure you follow me. For you guys, one more time. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go. Let's do it fast pace and slow pace, but let's do this fast pace, guys. Spin. You spin my hair right round, when you go down, you spin my hair right round, when you go down, Let's do in slow mo, you guys. Slow mo, guys. In slow mo. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go. You spin my hair right round, when you go downtown. You spin my hair right round, when you go down like a rocking baby. You spin my hair. This slow mo can make you laugh every single time. So that guy has to dance in slow mo. In case you like the dance in slow mo, kindly subscribe down below for me. Comment what you think about the dance tutorial. Share to your guys, your niggas that want to dance. Is my face white? No, I don't think my face is white. Share to your niggas that want to dance, guys. I want to dance Alvin and Chipmunk spin. It's going to trending on TikTok, YouTube, and whatever. You can go watch the movies if you have not watched the movie. And don't forget to tag me on your videos so I can see your dance. Tag me your videos. Put hashtag Teoluckzboom so I can see your dance, guys. And I will see you guys in my next video. Shout out.